Good morning everyone and welcome to today's maths lesson. We are going to be looking at selecting correct amounts of money and basically using our addition skills, our noticing skills to look at different amounts of money and sort of finding the odd one out and things like that. But before we start, let's have a look at the warm-up. So I want you to have a look at those now. Have a look at the amounts and have a look and see if it matches what Tiny says. So for example, he says on the first one I have 4 £1 coins. The second one I have 3 1p coins and 1 10p coin. In the next one, number 3, says I have 5 £1 coins are equal to 1 £5 note. And the next one, and the final one, it says 2 £10 notes equals 1 £5 note. Which ones are correct? Which ones are wrong? Have a go now.